In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host an API on Hostinger. First, we'll start by accessing your Hostinger account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready because you'll need those to log in. If you don't have a Hostinger account yet, just head over to their website and sign up. Once you're all set and logged into your Hostinger dashboard, look for the Hosting tab or the option where your hosting plans are listed. Here, you'll see a list of all the domains and hosting services associated with your account. Next, you'll want to select the domain where you want to host your API. This step is crucial, so take a moment to pick the right domain if you have multiple. Once you've selected your domain, you'll be taken to a control panel that provides a wide range of tools and features. Navigate to the website section and find the option labeled File Manager. This is where you'll manage and upload your API files. File Manager is a handy tool that presents a user-friendly interface for handling your web files. At this point, you'll need your API files. Make sure they're ready to upload as this will be your next step. In the File Manager, locate the public HTML folder. This is essentially the root directory where all your public website files are stored. Upload your API files here. You can usually use the Upload button to select and add your files, or if you prefer, simply drag and drop your API files into the public HTML folder. Ensure that all necessary files for your API to function are uploaded accurately, including any configuration files. With your files in place, it's time to set up your API. Often, you'll need to ensure that your API is configured properly in your server settings. Some APIs require specific settings or dependencies, so it's always a good idea to reference any documentation that came with your API. If you're using a framework, make sure it matches the version supported by Hostinger's server. Next, let's focus on setting up your server. Depending on your API, you might need to modify the .taccess file or set specific permissions. This is where some prior knowledge or guidance helps, so feel free to reach out to Hostinger's support if you encounter any troubles. Once the server setup is complete, it's crucial to test your API to ensure it works as intended. Open your browser and type in your domain name followed by the endpoint of your API. Finally, make sure to regularly monitor and maintain your API. This could mean anything from applying updates, checking logs for errors, and ensuring everything is running smoothly. Hostinger provides tools for monitoring your server performance, which can be beneficial in maintaining the API's efficiency. So, there you have it. Hosting an API on Hostinger can be straightforward when you follow these steps. Keep experimenting and learning, and before you know it, you'll become a pro at hosting APIs in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and happy hosting!